Welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am going to show you a Goan masala, that is Recheado masala, where we can use this Recheado masala in multi-purpose, and that's why I am trying to make it in quantity, and then I will show you what we can do out of this in later. So first of all, we need 100 grams of Kashmiri red chili. So it is like around in 50 numbers, but if you weigh it, then it is 100 grams Kashmiri red chili. And these are not spicy, these are for color. Okay. Then second thing what we need is, we need like this onion. So I have taken like one big onion, and this is like one small onion, medium you can say. So 1.5 onions we need, and this we are going to roast it on the fire. Okay. Then we need a ball of tamarind. Okay. Then we need 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Okay. 40 garlic cloves. These are 40 garlic cloves. Then we need around 5 inches of ginger. So if you catch inches, then it is like this. 1, 2. So like this I have counted, and it is all 5 inches of ginger. Okay. Then we need around like, you can use sugar or jaggery. So I'll be using jaggery. That is 1 teaspoon of jaggery, or if you want more, then 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Okay. Then we need around like turmeric powder, which is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now here comes the dry masalas. So these are like 8 cinnamon sticks, and so we are taking around peppercorns will be 30 peppercorns, black peppercorns is 30, and 15 of this cloves. Okay. Then we will be adding around salt, that is 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Vinegar, any vinegar, whatever vinegar is available in the market, you can add it to grind it to paste. No adding water. So now if you got the masalas, please take a look close by. So this is like Kashmiri red chilies with a non-spicy, but it is for color. So 50 numbers and 100 grams in weight. This is tamarind ball. This is cumin, 2 tablespoons of cumin. This is 5 inches of ginger. And these are our garlics, which are 40 in number. Then this is around 30 of peppercorns and 15 of cloves, 8 of cinnamon sticks. Salt you have to add, and turmeric powder is 1 teaspoon. Okay. So now we will have to grind this. So now let's roast this onion. So I will roast this onion. Directly on the flame. You can even fry it, dry fry it. It is like excess water, whatever is there is going to come out. So this is how I am going to do this. So if you can hear the sound, like whatever is there, it's opening up. The excess of water or whatever juice is there. So we want this way. Okay. Till that is getting roast, let us grind. Now if you want, you can remove this out. If you don't want, you can add whole with this. It's up to you. So now I will be grinding the chilies first in a dry without anything wet. Then I will add, because it makes it easy. So here is the masala, like the chili powder. Now I will add all my other ingredients like tamarind, and of course onion also we have to grind. So we will have to wait. They are nicely roasted. If you can see, they are roasted nicely. So now I'll put off the gas, let it get cooled down, then we will add this to this. Yeah. After this I will add this to our masala. So now we'll add this dry masala also, and all the other garlics and ginger and pepper and cloves. Then this onions. Then we'll add our jaggery powder. This helps as preservative, jaggery powder. Then we'll add salt to taste a little bit, and it also helps the masala for preservation. And now we will add our vinegar. So vinegar is like, you check, keep on checking. I am using around 1 of this to grind it. So if you add more, you can add more. So I am adding this. And no water, again I am telling you. And let's grind this too. Now if your mixer is not new and the blades are not sharpened, then you soak the chilies in vinegar and then you can grind it. But my mixer is new, so I have done that way. So I am going to grind this now. So I am adding now 1 more to this. So like this I have added 2. So here it is. But I am going to grind this more into fine coarse. I want more. So I have basically used 3 of this. So of vinegar. So you see while grinding how much you need, and accordingly you all add. So I will be adding now little bit of more vinegar to this and grind it, because I need it a fine paste. Okay. So here is my masala ready. Okay, it is, this Recheado masala is ready. So here it is, rich in color. It will be used for many things. So, and I've got it in a lot of quantity. So nice fine paste, and I will preserve this and use this for many purpose. आता हांवें तुमकां तो रेशादो मसालो दाखयला, तेचे आतां हांव दाखयता आनी कितें करूं येता. हें जावन आसा आंत. Again it is a fish roux. Okay, so this is I've marinated with ginger garlic paste. Now we will cut this in chunks. So I purchased this from Delfino's for Varim, and now I will make it in this Recheado masala. Okay, हे जावन आसा आमचे आमी कोंकणीन हेका आंत म्हणटा, तर हे नुस्त्याचे आंत. ओके, आनी हे जावन आसा म्हाका डेल्फिनोन सोटिया मेवले, तर हांवें ते घेतले, ते आहले ते नुस्त्याचे. तर हेका कातरून घेवया. This is for only those who relish this. Most of them you all don't relish this, so you all don't make this. And it is very rare you get this fish eggs or fish roux in the fishes, but yeah, small like mackerel and all you get. Okay, so we need 1 onion for this, chopped. 1 tablespoon of Recheado masala we'll be using for this. Let's start. So we'll take oil, around 1 tablespoon of oil, and we'll fry onion in this and the masala, and then we'll add this. तर आता आमी हितून कांदो घालया आनी ताका भाजून घेवया. Now we'll add little bit of turmeric powder to this. One-fourth teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's it. And now we'll add our masala. So Recheado masala is spicy, that's why I'm taking only 1 tablespoon for this. And the fish egg Anth is already with ginger garlic paste and all. Low flame. Now we'll add little bit salt to this, very little. And we'll add this fish egg, or in Konkani we'll say Anth. And we'll cook this for a few seconds. cover this and cook this for few seconds. Check in between. At this point we will add our kasuri methi. Okay, kasuri methi gives a flavor also to the dish, so we'll add little bit of kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves, this is the kasuri methi. Like this. So now we cook this with open pan. Just cook this open till it gets nicely dry, because you don't want gravy. You want to fry this with that same masala. Now those who want gravy, they can close the gas, but I want to dry this. And असे भाजून घेऊ दे. So this is now nicely fried and it is crispy also. But if you want not to be crispy, then you can do that earlier stage. So hope you all will enjoy this dish. Thank you so much. So I have kept it in this, so whatever excess of oil is there, it will come out. And then serve it nicely with whatever way you want to eat. So हे जाले आता भाजून आणि हे क्रिस्पी हे हांवें भाजला. करपोंक ना तें आनी खावन पासून पयला, पूण म्हाका अशें जाय आसलें आनी मसालो पण बरे भाशेन लागला आनी हांवें आतां हें जायेन घातला की कितें तेल आसा तें भायर सोंपतलें. ओके, थँक यू. देव बरें करूं तुमकां. Enjoy this dish and do let me know. Thank you so much. So you can also garnish it with kasuri methi, which I will do now. So we'll garnish this also with kasuri methi. Kasuri methi is very, very healthy. Thank you so much. Take a nice glance.